Good morning, friends. Today, in first term, I will take one more example to calculate the height or the slant height or the surface area of the cone or the first term. So, in my last video, I explained you how to find the surface area of the first term. Now, today I will take an example. ABC is a cone and a portion of AD is cut from the ABC cone. Then the first term is DECB. Now total height of the cone is capital H and height of the cone cut is small h. Slant height of the cone ABC is capital L and the slant height of the AD, that is portion of the cone cut, is small l. And the radius of the ABC is R1, that is the bottom of the frustum, and the top of the frustum is R2. Now it is given if the curved surface area of the frustum is 8/9 curved surface area of the cone, then find the ratio of the height of the portion cut and the height of the frustum. That is, find the ratio of small h upon capital H minus h, that is height of the cone AD upon height of the frustum. And given is that area of the frustum, that is curved surface area of the frustum, is 8/9 curved surface area of the cone. Now, in simple way, if a triangle AOC and the AO dash E both are similar, because by 2A property, this angle O dash AE is common in both the triangles, and the AO dash E and AOC, they are right angle. So ratio of the R2 upon R1 is equal to H upon capital H is equal to small l upon capital L. Now come to the point. Given curved surface area of the first term is equal to 8/9 curved surface area of the cone, and you know curved surface area of the first term is pi bracket R1 plus R2 into slant height. Here is slant height on first term is equal to capital L minus L. Now divide out the pi, then R1 plus R2 into capital L minus L is equal to 8/9 R1L. Now R1 plus R2 divided by R1 and capital L minus small l divided by L, that is equal to 8/9. Now if we simplify it, it becomes 1 plus R2 upon R1 into 1 minus small l upon capital L is equal to 8/9. Now from the similar triangles, R2 upon R1 and the small l upon capital L is equal to small h upon capital H. So putting the value of R2 upon R1 and the small l upon capital L, small h, capital H, and the small h, capital H. Now if you see 1 plus small h upon h, 1 minus small h upon h, it becomes the a square minus b square. That is 1 minus h2 upon h2 square is equal to 8/9. Then small h square upon capital H square is equal to 1 minus 8/9. Simplify it. you will get small h square upon capital H square is equal to 1 upon 9. Then small h upon capital H is equal to 1 upon 3. So we find this value of the small h, that is h upon 3. Now we have to find out the ratio of the height of the cone and frustum. Then ratio of small h, that is upon capital H minus h, that is the height of the frustum. Small h we get h upon 3. So h upon 3 upon capital H minus h upon 3. So by simplifying, taking LCM, we get 1 upon 2 is the ratio of the height of the cone, that is ADE, and the height of the frustum, that is O dash O, that is 1 upon 2. So in such type of the questions, first we have find out the similarity between the two triangles, then find the ratios, and then write the formula, put the value and solve it. So this is how to get the ratio of the height of the cone cut to the height of the frustum. Okay. So if you like my videos, please share and subscribe. Thanks very much.